So about 2-3 days ago, the river was up at about 1,300 CFS, and apparently it had froze up that high. As you can see now, the river today is about 500 CFS, which is obviously significantly lower. So this is kind of an indication of what the river would look like with 1,300 CFS, 1,200 CFS, the normal amount of water it's supposed to have in it, or historically had in it. And as you can see, down through this canyon, this entire thing would be, this entire canyon would have water flowing through it. And even as of right now, with 500 CFS, that's a lot of water for the river to carry with the irrigation withdrawals. Even in the wintertime, 500 is not too crazy, but it's quite impressive to see that the water has come up this high. Typically, all this ice right here, there's easily about 4 feet of ice right here. You can see, especially down there, which I cannot zoom in on, but it's quite impressive to look around and see how much water was actually flowing when it was flowing up to pretty high flows, 1,200, 1,300 CFS. Pretty neat, pretty impressive. I just fell in over there, got my foot wet. But you can see right here, it froze over and then it's collapsed since the flows have went down. I mean, that's easily a 3-foot depression right there, if not 4 feet. And you can see right down through there all the collapsed ice, and down there that overhanging shelf of ice. I can do a different viewpoint. It's impossible for me to get down to there because there's about 3 to 4 feet of ice and I just fall right through it. But it's a pain in the ass. But you can see down through this whole canyon, all the way as far as we can see to the next bend, that this thing's frozen solid, and on each bank, there was water flowing all the way from canyon to canyon through here. It's pretty neat. Pretty cool. That big old iceberg chunk. Pretty impressive. Yep, that's the water line right there. Amazing how much water we take out of this river. That's a lot of flow.